Fine girl with the waka waka. Left and right with a piggy backer. Instagram don't finish data. Big yash me I must knock 'em.
Yeah.
My head, my neck, my waist. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Esther, and this is Life of Esther. This is Ruth. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. Thank you for. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for clicking into my video. Welcome. This is Esther. If you are a returning subscriber, that means you'll be very familiar with this girl. This is Ruth. Yeah, Esther. So today we're going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge. That's right, spicy noodle.
I never chop on my
That's
own
right.
fear.
We're going to be doing a spicy noodle challenge, so we're going to go and cook it right now. Make sure that you pray for us because I can eat pepper a little bit, but she cannot.
So in
She's
case
already
in
feeling it.
in case in a year gone too soon.
Gone too soon. You know, it was Indomie that killed her. So you guys should stay tuned for us to do this challenge.
Thank you.
Find the road, left and right with the big back. Instagram. Big yarn. Hey.
Hey God.
Jesus.
See pepper now. Esther don dey plan dey wait this Indomie. Esther.
Nah, lie, it's just one we'll use.
Esther.
It's just one we'll use.
Can you see what I'm seeing? Can we eat this thing?
It's one is okay, I think. We wanted to use two, but we're not using it again.
This your pepper, we must to chop am. Oyana, my head. Hey.
My neck,
Hey.
my waist.
Hey God.
That's still one now.
Babe, are you sure this is a good idea?
I am doubting it, and I've been ready, but what is so we must chop her. Now, what to look with this?
You dey see say the Indomie don change color.
Indomie don't change color. Raise them up first. Okay, yes, we carry. So, here we are, about to eat pepper. Pepper.
Esther, take the first bite. I mean the first bite.
Okay. 1, 2. It's actually very small because we knew that this thing.
See the color of the Indomie.
Can you see how red it is? Hey.
Pepper, na pepper be this.
Okay, 1, 2, ready, go.
And you chop the pepper particles.
It's literally eating the pepper particles.
That's pepper good.
And that is up place.
That's pepper good.
Okay. You can stop. There's water there for you to drink. But it's sweet, so I'll keep on eating. Not talking. Pepper is not that much.
I know they talk again.
This is spicy. Can you see how red it is? It's spicy, but I can handle it. She's dying. You're not allowed to drink water. You are not allowed to drink water. You are not allowed to drink water. No water. If you drink water, you lose. You drink water, you lose. So eat up.
It's like they chop pepper go in my house.
How much pepper? I don't see like pepper.
But I dey chop pepper. Compared to me.
If you drink water, you lose. Ooh, and it's hot. I don't know if you can see the pepper. It's very red. We did not add anything to eat, just pepper. Pepper and spice.
Chop your food, not the
Ruth is dying. Thank God that we bought a small size, or if not.
You for chop am.
We for throw am.
You for chop am. First money you want waste.
Oh, we look cute. Natural hair, working on natural hair.
And so now they do me oh.
Ah. She's dying.
I don't understand why you're not feeling this pepper.
Feeling it, but I'm handling it. Very soon I will hang in my throat, my chest. I'll come get remove bra. Water is there for you. You drink it, you lose. But what does the winner get?
The winner is not getting anything.
If you drink it, you lose.
What is the winner getting?
We don't even know, just eat. Do now get a hug.
Make I just drink water.
Guys, what should the winner get?
500.
500 naira.
From the loser.
From the loser. I agree because I'll definitely win.
Because
this
I
thing.
didn't look and say that you don't win. So
Exactly. So I agree.
get a hug.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Ruth, eat. Only me cannot finish this.
And they tell me to make buy the
Super pack.
The chop, oh, fine girl with the big front. You don't enter nose. You say I don't take my first cutter.
I want to make my sin. The pepper
Pepper is not pepper. Pepper, no, this one will not say pepper is not pepper. The pepper is not pepper.
The pepper is not pepper. Pepper now salt.
Pepper is short.
Ruth, eat.
So don't choke person now.
Oh. Can I take a picture like this? Oh, she decided to continue. Come on.
I'm seeing the smoke.
I'm seeing it.
The mirror of pepper. Esther, put it like this.
I don't know. I'm actually enjoying it because I'm older. No, we're finishing. 200. No, the lie, we're finishing. Oh, 200. This one today. 300 plus water and onions. So it's all here now. 500. What you like that? And the gas. 1K. One person now. How much?
Okay, don't you walk?
Put your hand like this. What's that with my mouth?
Esther, you don't win.
Can drink your water now.
Don't you laugh?
No! Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I want!
Wow! This baby is mad.
The whole food is literally pepper.
You're not please down my junction. Esther, all this video.
I'm proving that I won. Winner! Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. From the background.
Thank you for watching.
Ruth is literally dying. So spicy, no cap. When we're preparing it,
Not too couple.
we thought it was not spicy. Wait. We thought it was not spicy, but turns out it was spicy. So we're wrong. Thank you guys so much for watching. We look terrible right now. We are not sweating because it's actually raining right now. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Make sure you guys like, share, comment. Bye.